Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase data visualization with Infogram, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Infogram's website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, click on the Create button to start a new project. Choose the type of visualization you want to create from the options available. Select a template that aligns with your data goals. Click on the chosen template to open the editor. You will see a toolbar on the left side with various elements you can use. To add data, click on the Data tab located in the toolbar. Choose to upload a dataset or input data manually. If uploading, select the file you want to use and follow the prompts. Once your data is imported, you can see it displayed in a table format. Begin customizing your visualization by selecting the chart type that suits your data best. Use the format options to adjust colors, fonts, and sizes for better clarity. Incorporate additional elements like icons, maps, or charts as needed. You can drag and drop these elements into your project for seamless integration. To add text, click on the text option to insert titles or descriptions. Adjust the text properties using the options provided in the formatting toolbar. Preview your project by clicking on the Preview button. Make any necessary adjustments based on your preview. Once satisfied with your design, click on the Export button. Select the desired file format or sharing option. Follow the on-screen prompts to finalize the export process. Your data visualization is now ready to be shared or embedded. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.